Welcome to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel, where we premiere new and pre-owned manufactured mobile homes and tiny homes on a weekly basis. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new tours. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. It really does help out our channel. We are here for you to help you make a more informed decision. Right now, we are standing in front of a 1965 mobile home. This home does need a little bit of TLC, but this is a great buy at just over $97,000. So this is a great buy for somebody who's looking for a home that does need a little bit of TLC. Leave all your comments, suggestions, and thoughts in the comment section, but please be respectful. These are people's homes, and we want to be respectful to the people who purchased this home. This home does have great opportunity. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 1/4 bathrooms, which is very unique for a home this size. What I love back here, take a look at this patio area. You can easily fit a couple tables and chairs. We are at Royal Palms, which is an all-age community in Covina, California. If you're interested in learning more, make sure you leave a comment or contact us at 866-720-2207. This is a nice large shed that does come with the home. Again, it does need a little bit of TLC. So this home, if you're wanting something that you're able to fix up and make your own, this is the home for you. Let's go take a look inside. Oh, real quick, we have a lot of homes for sale. Homes are selling really quickly. So check out the channel and take a look at other homes for sale. I just toured an old 1967, so in Kingsway Gardens, which is a mobile home park in Laverne, California. Woo! That AC felt good. It's hot here in Southern California. But take a look at this home. They've done some refurbishing themselves. They put new floors in, new paint. This is a nice large open room with a living room, dining room, and take a look at this breakfast bar. This is a massive breakfast bar. Kids are gonna love it. You could fit two stools right there, and then you could fit another 3, maybe 4, depending how many people you want to fit there. I love these granite countertops. Ooh, look at the tile. This home has so much potential. It doesn't need much work. But take a look at that granite. Oop, let me back up here. Sorry, guys. Nice tile backsplash going all the way to the cabinets. And then right over here, this is interesting. You have a stackable washer dryer with a nice large refrigerator. And there's plenty of cabinet space. Now it's going to be very interesting as we go towards the back here. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 1/4 3 bedrooms, 1 1/4 bathrooms. Right here is where we have the main bathroom with the sink, toilet, overhead cabinets. And check out this tile shower. This is a jacuzzi tub. Take a look at that. So if you like jacuzzi tubs, this is a perfect bathroom for you. And I'm gonna go over straight into this quarter bathroom where the master bedroom is. It's kind of tight in here. I want to get you different perspectives to really give you a good feel for what this home looks like. Here's the master bedroom. It's large enough to fit a queen bed for sure. So you do get this quarter bathroom with the master. And there is a poop room. There we go. You gotta love the poop room. We do have a pocket door so that you get more privacy. Now let's go check out the other 2 bedrooms. Bedroom number 2. bedroom number 3. This is a very simple home. Like I said, it does need some TLC, but that's all right. It's under $100,000, and having a home in this community for under $100,000 is a great deal. New homes are selling in the high $100,000 range. So thank you for watching this edition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and we appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. See you next time.